AI is everywhere. Hype headlines, viral demos, and big promises. But what's real and what's just noise? In other words, is AI just a hype or is it here to stay? Every new technology has a buzz phase. Remember 3D TVs? Or those early voice assistants that barely understood a word you said? Hype isn't new. The difference with AI is that it's already sneaking into our everyday tools, from writing and planning to search and learning. Think of it less like a flying car dream and more like the smartphone. It's already here, and it just keeps getting smarter. Let's talk about the hype. It starts with dramatic headlines like, AI will take all the jobs. Sure, they grab attention, but they miss the nuance. Then, there are companies rushing to slap AI powered on products that barely use AI at all. And of course, those apps that look magical in the demo, like a trailer for the next Marvel movie. But when you try them in real life, they flop. Overpromised, underdelivered, just wasting your time and your money too. That's the hype. Now, let's talk about what's real. People are already using AI today to plan weekends, summarize long emails, brainstorm ideas, draft outlines, and even learn faster. Businesses are using it for customer support, quick content drafts, and digging insights from data. The pattern is simple. AI works best as a helper to speed up routine tasks, not as a perfect replacement for people. It's like having a really smart sidekick. Not a boss, not a villain, just a tool that helps you move faster. We are still in the early days, but the tools keep improving fast. New models are getting better at following instructions, using outside tools, and even matching your style. AI won't replace people, but people using AI will definitely be a step ahead of those who don't. And that's what we will do here. Keep testing, learning, and sharing what actually works. If you want practical or jargon AI tips, subscribe and join me every Thursday. Drop a comment with an AI myth you would like debunked next. Let's explore together.